Students, in the previous class we discussed about addition of matrices, subtraction of a matrices and multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Okay, today's class we are going to learn the multiplication of matrices and problems. Okay, before going to the multiplication, what is the addition? Corresponding elements are added and subtraction means corresponding elements are subtracted. But in the multiplication, the corresponding element multiplication doesn't work. It has some rule. How to multiply two matrices? So multiplication of a matrices, two matrices are multiplied, can be multiplied only when the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. This condition must be true. Then only multiplication is possible. Okay. The first matrix loni columns, number of columns is equal to second matrix loni number of rows equal aitene multiplication possible avutundi. Two matrices can be multiplied only when the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. For that is, if A is m by n matrix, means number of rows are m, number of columns are n, and B is the matrix n by p, number of rows are n, number of columns are p. Then here number of columns in the first matrix n, number of rows in the second matrix are n. They are equal. Therefore, AB is possible, and AB order is m by p. Okay, remaining m by p. Rows in the first matrix, columns in the second matrix. The order of m by AB is m by p. Okay, next. Suppose how to multiply what is the matrix, resultant matrix. If suppose A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, it is a 3 by 3 matrix, and capital B is another matrix, B11, B12, B21, B22, B31, B32, it is 3 by 2 matrix. So number of columns, we have to multiply AB. Number of columns in the first matrix 3, number of rows in the second matrix 3. They are equal. Number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. Therefore, AB is a possible. AB అనేది possible అవుతుంది, and order of AB is remaining this 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 is order. How to multiply? ఎలా multiply చేయాలి? We will see in the next slide. Suppose A into B, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and into B, B11, B12, B21, B22, B31, B32. So first we have to take first matrix loni row, first row, that is A11, A12, A13. Second matrix loni column. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ కాలం, ఫస్ట్ రో తీసుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లోని, సెకండ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లోని కాలం, కరస్పాండింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. A11, A12, A13, ఇయర్ B1, B12, B21, B31. ఫస్ట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లోని ఫస్ట్ రోలోని మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఎలిమెంట్స్, సెకండ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లోని కాలంలోని మ్యాట్రిసెస్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే A11, B11, A12, B21, A13, B31 corresponding elements ni multiply and adding A11 plus B11 plus A12 into B21 plus A13 into B3. Next, same row, first row అనేది same. Next, second column means B12, B21, B32, the product and sum. A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22 plus A13 into B32 elements ni multiply. First row is over, and if ఇంకో కాలం ఉంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఇంకో ఎలిమెంట్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, కాలమ్స్ లేదు కాబట్టి కంప్లీట్. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ రో, ఫస్ట్ రోతో కాలమ్స్ అన్నీ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ రో, ఫస్ట్ కాలం, Next, that is A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21 plus A23 into B31. Next, same second row, next second column. First column is our second column. So A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22 plus A23 into B32. Second row is over. Next, third row. A is third row in the first matrix and first column in the second matrix. So A31 into B11 plus A32 into B21 plus A33 into B31. Next, same third row and second column. So A31 into B12 plus A32 into B22 plus A33 into B32 is the multiplication. It is the matrix. So how to remember? What is this element? This is first row, first column, means R1, C1, first row, first column. This is first row, second column, R1, C2. This is R2, C1. Next it is R2, C2. This is R3, C1. R3, C2. Means first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column, third row, first column, third row, second column. Okay. Next, remembering is R1C1, R1C2, R2C2, R2C2, R3C1, R3C2. ఇంకో కాలం ఉంటే ఇక్కడ R1C3, R2C3, R3C3. Next, BA. B into A into B is over. What about B into A? B into A possible అవుతుందా రాదా? B యొక్క ఆర్డర్ ఏముంది? 3/2 and A యొక్క ఆర్డర్ 3/3. ఫస్ట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లోని కాలమ్స్ సెకండ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లోని రోస్కి ఈక్వల్ కావాలి. ఇవి నాట్ ఈక్వల్ మీన్స్ B into A is నాట్ పాసిబుల్. A into B పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది కానీ B into A అనేది పాసిబుల్ కాదు. ఈ కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయితేనే నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లోని కాలమ్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు నంబర్ ఆఫ్ రోస్ ఇన్ ద సెకండ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్, దెన్ ఓన్లీ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఈజ్ పాసిబుల్. నెక్స్ట్, సపోజ్ A is 2/2 matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. B is also 2/2 matrix B11, B12, B21, B22, 2/2. Then what about A into B? A is 2/2, B is 2/2. So first matrix loni columns number of columns is equal to second matrix number of rows equal. Therefore AB is possible. AB we get 2/2. Next, BA is 2/2 and A is also 2/2. So B into A, first matrix here B aitundi, number of columns is 2, second matrix lo number of rows 2, therefore BA also 2/2 matrix. So A into B ela cheyali? Multiplication. First matrix loni rows తీసుకోవాలి. A into B, this is first matrix loni first row తీసుకోవాలి. second matrix loni column multiply చేయాలి. A11, B11 plus A12 plus B21. Next, same first row, second column. Next column A11, B12 plus A12 plus B22. Next, second row, first matrix and first column. So A21 into B11 plus A22 into B2. Next, second row means A21, second row A21, A22 and second column B12, B22. So A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22. That is first column R1, C1, R1, C2, R2, C1, R2, C2. And first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. Okay, that is a multiplication process. ఫస్ట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లోని రోస్ తీసుకోవాలి, సెకండ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లోని 1/1 కాలం వెళ్తూ వెళ్ళాలి. అది రిజల్టెంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ రోలో రాయాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ రో, థర్డ్ రో, లైక్ దట్. ఓకే, నవ్ వీ విల్ సీ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆన్ అడిషన్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. నోట్, A square means A into A powers. A cube means A square into A. In general, AB is not equal to BA. General ga AB not equal to BA. Some cases it will be equal. Next problems. First problem, problems on addition and subtraction. If A equal to 2, 3, 4, 7, 2 by 2 matrix and capital B equal to 1, 0, 2, 4, then find A plus B. First one, second one A minus B, third one B plus A, fourth one B minus A. Okay. So given A equal to 2, 3, 4, 7, B equal to 1, 0, 2, 4. A plus B. A matrix 2, 3, 4, 7 plus B matrix 1, 0, 2, 4. Addition means corresponding elements addition, adding 2 plus 1, next 3 plus 0, 4 plus 2, 7 plus 4. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 4 plus 2, 6, 7 plus 4, 11. That is the answer. Next, A minus B. A minus B means A matrix 2, 3, 4, 7 minus B matrix 1, 0, 2, 4. So, corresponding element subtraction. Subtraction means 2 minus 1, 3 minus 0, 4 minus 2, 7 minus 4. 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 0, 3, 4 minus 2, 2, 7 minus 4, 3. It is a B, A minus B. Next, third one, we have to find B plus A. First, we have to write B, next A. B plus A, B equal to 1, 0, 2, 4, A equal to 2, 3, 4, 7 matrices. Corresponding elements addition 1 plus 2, 0 plus 3, 2 plus 4, 4 plus 7. 1 plus 2 is the 3. 0 plus 3 is the 3, 2 plus 4 is 6, 4 plus 11, 7 is the 6, 11. B minus A, B 1, 0, 2, 4, A 2, 3, 4, 7, minus means corresponding elements is subtracted 1 minus 2, 0 minus 3, 2 minus 4, 4 minus 7. 1 minus 2 minus 1, 0 minus 3 minus 3, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 4 minus 7 minus 3. If you observe A plus B is 3, 3, 6, 11. B plus A is also 3, 3, 6, 11. Means two matrices are equal. And A minus B 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Here minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3. Means they are not equal. That is A plus B equal to B plus A, and A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Okay. Next problem. If A equal to 1, 2, minus 2, minus 3, it is the matrix, and B equal to 4, minus 1, 3, 2, then find 3A plus 5B. 3A plus 5B kanukovali. Given A value, matrix A 1, 2, minus 2, 3, and B 4, minus 1, 3, 2 matrices. We have to find out 3A. Means first 3A plus 5B. First we need, I am finding 3 into A. 3A means 3 matrix into 3 into matrix A. Every element is multiplied with 3. 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into minus 2, 3 into 3. That is 3, 6, minus 6, 9. Next 5B. 5B means 5 into B matrix. Every element is multiplied with 5. 5 into 4, 5 into minus 1, 5 into 3, 5 into 2. So 20 minus 5, 15, 10. So addition 3A plus 5B. 3A means this matrix and 5B means this matrix. Corresponding elements addition 3 plus 20, 6 plus of minus 5, minus 6 plus 15, 9 plus 10. That is 23, 1, 9, 19 is the answer. That is 3A plus 5B. First we need to find 3A, next 5B, next addition of these two matrices we get 3A plus 5. Next problem. If A equal to matrix 0, 4, 3 to 2 by 2 matrix, B is 1, 0, 3, minus 1, find 2A plus 3B. 2A plus 3B value. So first 2A, 2 into matrix A. Every element is multiplied with 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2, 4, 0, 8, 6, 4. 3B multiplied with every element is multiplied with 3B matrix, 3, 0, 9, minus 3 answer. We have to add both 2A plus 3B, that is 2A means this matrix 0, 8, 6, 4. 3B means this matrix 3, 0, 9, minus 3. So corresponding elements addition 0 plus 3, 8 plus 0, 6 plus 9, 4 minus of plus of minus 3. 8 plus 0, 8, 6 plus 9, 9 means 15, 4 minus 3 means 1 is the answer. Okay, it is 2A plus 3. Next one, fourth problem. Find if A equal to matrices 2, 3, 1, 0, minus 1, 5 and B equal to 1, 2, minus 6, 0, minus 1, 3. 2 by 3 matrix, 2 by 3 matrix. Then find 2A minus 3B, A minus B, two values. What is the 2A? Multiply with 2 into every element, 2 into that every element is multiplied with 2 means 4, 6, 2, 0, minus 2, 10. Next 3B, 3 into B matrix. B matrix is multiplied with 3. Every element is multiplied with 3. 3, 6, minus 18, 0, minus 3, 9. Next, first problem 2A minus 3B means subtract both. That is 2A minus 3B, 2A value 4, 6, 2, 0, minus 2, 10 and 3B value 3, 6, minus 18, 0, minus 3, 9 matrix. So subtraction, corresponding elements are subtracted. 4 minus 3, 1, 6 minus 6, 0, 2 minus of minus 18, minus minus plus, that is 2 plus 18, 20, 0 minus 0, 0. Next, minus 2, minus of minus 3. Minus of minus 3 means plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 means 1. 10 minus 9, that is 1. 1, 0, 20, 0, 1, 1 is 2 by 3 matrix is answer. Next, A minus B. It is the A matrix and it is the B matrix. Subtracted. Corresponding elements are subtracted. 2 minus 1, that is 1. And 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1 minus of minus 6, that is 7, 0 minus 0, 0, minus 1 of minus 1, minus minus plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 means 0, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, 2, means that is the 1, 1, 7, 0, 0, 2 is 2 by 3 matrix, that is A by 3. Okay. Next. Move to the next problem. If A equal to matrix 2 by 2 matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 3, 8, 7, 2 and 2x plus A equal to B, then find matrix X. 2x plus A equal to B, then matrix X. Given 2x plus A equal to B, then 2x equal to, if this A will come to this side, B minus A, 2x equal to B minus A and capital X equal to 1 by 2 into B minus A. Okay, capital X equal to 1 by 2 into B minus A. So we have to find B minus A first to B minus A, then multiply with 1 by 2. What is the B minus A? B matrix 3, 8, 7, 2 and minus A matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Corresponding elements subtracted. 3 minus 1, 2. 8 minus 2, 6, 7 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2, that is B minus A. And from the equation 1, capital X equal to 1 by 2 into B minus A. So 1 by 2 into 2, 6, 4 minus 2. Every element is multiplied with 1 by 2. So that is division. 2 by 2 means 1, 6 by 2 means 3, 4 by 2 means 2, minus 2 by 2 means minus 1. That is 1, 3, 2 minus 1 is the answer. Okay, here we calculated X is from this one. Next problem. Find A and B. Find the matrices A and B, small capital A and B. If A plus B, what is given? A plus B is given 3, 5, 5, 8 and A minus B 1, 3, 1 1 3 2. Okay, I am saying row wise. Here given a plus b is given, that is take equation 1, a minus b is given equation 2. We need to find a value, b, a matrix and b matrix. So first of all I am doing equation 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 means first we have to add LHS, a plus b plus a minus b. RHS also adding, two matrices adding. Here minus b plus b cancel, a plus a 2a. 3 corresponding elements are added. 3 plus 1 4, 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10. And then a equal to, this 2 is here multiplying, it will come here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 4, 6, 8, 10. So divide with every element with 1, multiply with 1 by 2. So that is 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 by 2 means division. Every element 2 2 ja, 2 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 3 4 5 ja, 8. And to get b, we have to subtract 1 and 2. 1 minus 2, here I am doing 1 minus 2, that is a plus b, LHS of first equation minus LHS of second equation, a minus b, and first matrix minus second matrix. If you same do a plus b, if you multiply with minus, minus a plus b, minus of minus b plus b, and minus 3 minus 1 2, 5 minus 1 4, 5 minus 3 2, 8 minus 2 6 LHS. And here minus a plus a cancel, b plus b 2b equal to 2 4 2 6. b equal to 1 by 2 of 2 4 2 6 means every element is multiplied with 1 by 2, that is 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 1 2 1 3 is the answer. Means to get a value we are added 1 and 2, b cancel, we get a 2a and a value, and if we subtract 1 minus 2 we get 2b, that is b value. Okay. Next, homework problems. If a equal to matrix and b equal to matrix, then find 2 minus 3 4 5 and b equal to 3 0 3 5, then find a plus b and a minus b. Next, second problem, a equal to 0 1 2 1 minus 3 4, b equal to 0 2 1 4 3 2, find 2a plus 3b. Means multiply a with 2, multiply b with 3, add the 2. Next, third one, a matrix and b matrix is given, we have to find 3a minus 4b, means multiply a with 3 and multiply b with 4 and subtract. Next problem, homework problem. If a equal to b equal to 2 matrices a 1 2 3 4, b equal to 4 5 6 7 and 3x plus a equal to b, then x value. Okay, in the previous example. Next, a equal to 1 minus 1 0 1 2 3 and b equal to 2 1 3 0 0 1 2 by 3 by 2 3 by 2 matrices, and 2a minus 3b minus 5x equal to o, then find the x value. Here we get 5x equal to 2a minus 3b, 2a minus 3b, and x equal to 1 by 5 into 2a minus 3b. Okay. Next, find a and b. If a plus b equal to matrix, a plus b equal to 2 3 1 6 minus 1 5 2 by 3 matrix, a minus b equal to 2 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 3, we need to find a comma b. Means it is equation 1 equation 2, 1 plus 2 we get a, 1 minus 2 we get b. Next, last problem, if a equal to 0 4 3 2, b equal to 1 0 3 minus 1, then find 2a plus 3b. So multiply column 2a, first we need to find 2a, next 3b, then add the two matrices. Okay, do the homework problems, and if you have any doubts, ask me. Thank you.